Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. It's Mr. TechFox here and welcome to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to convert an image to PDF using your phone in 2025. So this works on both Android and iPhone devices. If this video helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the Photos or Gallery app on your phone. So as I am using an Android phone, so I'm going to open the Photos app. Now you will see an interface like this. Normally select the photo that you want to make PDF. So I'm choosing this photo, and after that, normally click on this three dot on the top right corner of your screen. And here, if you swipe right, you will see some options. From here, you have to choose print. And now, if you click again on this three dot bar, you will see Save as PDF. Click on that. And now, it will show you your file manager where you want to save the file. So I'm going to choose this routine folder and then I'm going to give it a name. And then click on this Save button. And that's it. Now, if we go to our file manager and try to find that file, normally it is under Download folder and on the routine folder, and here is the file. So that's all about today's video, how you can convert an image to PDF. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.